Sunlight blasting through your windows and wrecking your furniture's color? You need to get some UV window film, like yesterday. So, here's the thing. UV rays from the sun are super sneaky and can totally fade your couch, rugs, and even hardwood floors over time. The best move? Slap on some UV window film on those big glass spots where the sun hits hard. It's kind of like sunscreen for your house. It blocks the harmful rays, but still lets light in so your place doesn't feel like a cave. When picking a film, look for one that blocks at least 99% of ultraviolet rays to really protect your stuff. Also, make sure it's easy to clean and doesn't mess with your view outside. That's a total win-win. If you're renting or not into DIY, a pro installer can hook you up, making sure the film goes on smooth and lasts long. Don't forget about checking the warranty because a solid guarantee means you're covered if it peels or bubbles. And hey, if you want to keep things fresh indoors, pairing the film with some good curtains or blinds can help block extra heat and light. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with fading furniture from sunlight is ignoring the UV protection factor. Just regular window glass won't cut it, so using standard curtains without UV film leaves your furniture exposed. Another common issue is rushing to install cheap or low-quality UV film that can peel or bubble quickly. Investing in a reliable brand and proper installation makes all the difference. Lastly, some folks forget to consider heat reduction along with UV protection, but choosing films that also reduce infrared rays helps keep your home cooler and protects your furniture better. Fix these by always researching high-quality films, hiring a skilled installer if you're unsure about the job, and picking films that offer both UV and heat-blocking features. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about UV, window film, and home protection. It also helps contractors find legit work by connecting them directly with people who need their skills.